Hi, today we'll make a spicy oil. So we need 2 bay leaves, 1 stick cinnamon stick, and 2 star aniseed, and 1 tablespoon of Sichuan pepper, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seed. If you don't have many of those, just don't use them. Just bay leaves is fine. So now we have to heat this oil. When it's ready, you just pour 1 pepper inside. You see it's floating right away. That means it's ready. When it's ready, remove from the heat right away and pour all the spices I mentioned earlier into the hot oil. Don't let it go back to the heat. Let it stay for 5 minutes and then remove the spice from the oil. Make the oil clear. And then we'll move to the second step. So in the second step, we will repeat what we do. We prepare chili powder, chili flakes, sesame seed, 1 tablespoon each. And heat the oil. When you throw the sesame seed, it's floating right away. Now it's ready. Remove the oil from the heat and add all the ingredients, sesame seeds, chili powder, and chili flakes inside. At this stage, you have to prepare 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and pour inside right away. Be careful, it will be evaporate very quickly. This is to cool down the oil, at the same time give some saltiness, but it will darken the oil a little bit. And then let the oil cool for at least 1 hour before serve it. Here is what it looks like. How you serve them, you put in the cooked noodle or dumpling sauce, or you just during the breakfast, if you eat hard-boiled egg, put inside. It combine the moisture with hard-boiled egg and give some flavor. Very delicious.